Hello everyone, we are going to demo how Hadiqat.com website is going to be operated. We are going to demo how the public user is going to use the website and how we are going to process the orders we are receiving. A public user will be navigating to Hadiqat.com using the website we are providing. This is the UI we are going to get, and there will be a similar UI in Android and iOS application. We have a navigation bar here, we have a location picker, a profile page and a cart page. I'm going to demo with a fresh user and a logged in user separately. We have the location picker here. The location picker will let me choose which location I'm going to order from. Currently we have four addresses. We are going to start from Dubai. Now we have a cart page here. It's going to show me what are things I have ordered. Now I'm going to clear the cart now to begin a fresh session. Now as I can see, we have two categories here, curry mix and frozen vegetables. I'm going to order some items. Before that, as you can see, we have some banners coming here. This can be used to shout out about the orders or other notifications to the user. Now I'm going to order one chicken curry mix. I'm going to order one Kerala fish molly, and I'm going to order, let's say, mixed vegetables. As you can see, whenever I am adding something here, it's being updated here also, and I can see the orders I have made here, and I have orders of 18 dirham. Now I can delete some items and I can click the checkout. When I'm clicking the checkout, there can be two chances. If the user is logged in, we will ask for the user to select their address, then they can confirm the shipping address. Or user may not be logged in. I'll show the flow in a bit. Now I'm going to confirm this shipping address, or I can add a new address. Now I will confirm this address and I will select the delivery location. Then I will confirm that. Then I can go through my order again. I have two items and this is the address I'm going to ship, and this is my delivery partner. Then all the payment details. Now we are supporting payment method cash on delivery or card on delivery. We'll be integrating online payment methods soon. Now I'm going to place this order, and it's being says order is successful, and this is my order ID, and this is the date, and these are the details. We have zero delivery charge and all of that. Now as I use this page to create more orders, I can see all the previous orders and all the details of the orders. I can go to my profile page and I can change my profile details and all of that. I'm going to log out to show you how a normal user will use. So whenever I am logging out, it will ask for the login button here, and it will start as a new fresh session. I can add more items, come here, and whenever I'm checking out, it will ask for my phone number. Now I'm going to use an Indian number. I'll ask for the OTP. I will wait for the OTP. Now I got my OTP. It's 607172. Then I will verify my OTP here. I can see this is my order details, and the same process follows. Yeah. So let's say I'll change to Al Karama. Okay. Place order. So same thing. Now we'll have I will demo how the admin side will work. So we'll have a super admin, then we'll have shop admins. So I'll start with super admin. So after logging with credentials, which is hosted at admin@whicart.in, I can see all the orders I have received, and this is my dashboard. I can have a quick glance of how things are going, and I have multiple tabs. So in orders tab, I can see all the orders I have received, In shops tab, I can see all of the shops I'm supporting. In location tab, I can see all the location I'm supporting. A location can have multiple shops. Currently, we are only supporting one shop under one location. We can add multiple shops here using this plus button. Same goes with location also. We can use this plus button to create multiple location. I have multiple other options like delivery stuff, banners. So these are the banners I have shown here in this home page. Then I have other settings like what is the status of the closed, what is the delivery threshold amount, what is the offer, customer care number, all of that. Now I'll go back to my orders tab. I can see all the orders I have received in the all of my chain, not just Dubai orders or Ajman orders. Now if I come here, I can see, okay, this order, if I click on that order, I can see the details. Okay, this guy ordered, this is the customer number, and these are things he have ordered, and this is the cost. Now I can process this order. Whenever I am processing this order, I will get an SMS at my mobile saying that your order has been processed. Then I can dispatch this order. Whenever this order is ready, then when it's being delivered, I can deliver this order. So we have delivery Android applications where user can process this or process this order, saying that okay, whether I delivered this order, whether I cancel this order, all of that. Now this is how it's going to look at for that specific order I just created. It's saying status is delivered. Now I can do the same thing in the shop admin also. So if I go to one of the shop Hadiqat, I can see orders here. One order I have already delivered using the super admin, and there is another order I have created here. These are the orders only for the Dubai location. Now I can quickly change this to cancelled if something is wrong. So I'll get an SMS saying that the order has been cancelled. So this is the demo of Hadiqat. I suppose I have explained clearly about all the process, how the user is going to use our application, all of that. If you have any confusion, please let me know. Thank you. Good day.